Hi students, I'm Mr. Langa. Today we're going to do mathematical literacy, topic number 1. It will be our lesson number 2. Our topic is numbers. Then I hope that you have your textbook, your calculator, your writing material and a pen. Your textbook, it's hands-on training. We will cover from page 26 to 35. These are our lesson goals. Today, let us look at the fraction. First of all, we must define fraction. What are fractions? Fraction is written A over B, where A and B are integer numbers. A is called the numerator and B the denominator. Convert mixed number to a decimal number. When we convert, divide the numerator by the denominator, add this decimal number to the whole number part of the mixed number. Students, we must note this. This method works even if the fraction part of the mixed number is an improper fraction. Let us do our first sum. We have a mixed fraction which is 3/4 over 5. Take your calculator so that we can do it together. Our first method, it says let us divide 4 over 5. 4 over 5, it gives us 0.8. Then we add this 3 plus 3, it gives us 3.8. That is our first method. Let us look for the second method. The first step is to multiply the number in the denominator of the fraction by the integer number. Add the numerator to this total. Use the same denominator as in the mixed number to write the improper fraction. We'll take one and the same sum, but applying in different method. First of all, it says we must multiply this number, which is 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5, it gives us 15. We add the numerator, which is 4. It gives us 19, which means we have 19 over 5. 19 divided by 5, it gives us 3.8. It's exactly the same. Then let us move to the next sum. Convert a fraction to a decimal number. To convert a fraction into a decimal, divide the top number by a bottom number, which means we divide the numerator, we take a numerator divided by the denominator. Then let us say 3 over 4 equal to, it gives us 0.75. There are a number of methods also that we can use, but for now let us just focus on this one. Let us take another sum on how to convert a fraction to a percentage. Students, note that every time when a percentage is required, always multiply the given value by 100. Which means let us take 5 divided by 12. That's a fraction. We convert it first to a decimal fraction. Thereafter, we multiply by 100, because every time when we convert, we must multiply by 100. When we convert to a percentage, it will be 41%. What is the equivalent fraction? An equivalent fraction is a fraction that is the same as another fraction with a different denominator. How to convert equivalent fraction? Multiplying the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero whole number will change the fraction into an equivalent fraction, but it will not change its value. Equivalent fraction may look different, but they have the same value. Let us look at the equivalent fraction. We have 2 over 3. We want to get an equivalent fraction of 2 over 3. Not limited to this. First of all, we say 2 over 3 multiplied by 3, which means we're saying 2 multiplied by 3, it gives us 6. Then we say 3 multiplied by 3, it gives us 9. Then 6 over 9 is equivalent to 2 over 3, which means they are equivalent. They are the same. Then let us look also at equivalent fraction let us look at a different example. Let us find the missing value. We are told that these two numbers are equivalent to each other. These sums are equivalent to each other, but we must find the missing value. What is more important is that we have 274 over 347. We must find a number when we look at this numerator, which number that we can multiply, which will give us 3,836. Then, which means we must find that number so that we will take this denominator and multiply by that number. Then we have 274. Let us multiply by 14. It gives us 3,836. Therefore, let us take 347 multiplied by 14. It gives us 4,858, which means these two sums are equivalent to each other. Students, your homework, do exercise 1.6, also 1.7 as well as 1.8 in your textbook. Summary of our lesson, we have discussed how to convert percentage, how to convert fractions, how to convert decimals. Students, please read page 26 to 35 on your textbook. We have come to the conclusion of our lesson. Let us meet next time.